here's some sickle cell facts. Sickle cell is the #1 blood disorder, and also sickle cell should drink lots of water, and they should stay out really, really cold places or really, really hot places because it's really bad and they could get really sick and get sent to the hospital right away. Also, it's good for them. Well, here's a thing that you guys might think, but if you guys think sickle cell is contagious, it isn't. It isn't contagious at all. You could have sickle cell trait, sickle cell, or no sickle cell. And also, it can happen to anyone, boy or girl, any age, any color. And yeah, bye guys.